Week 1. Let's speak more French. Here's an optional exercise. 10 sentences to say in fast-track French. You may need to stretch the 35 minutes a day by an extra 15 minutes, but the extra practice will be worth it because you want to be able to speak French. Don't worry if you get the endings of some of the words wrong. This is about speaking, not about using complicated grammar. Remember, near enough is good enough. This exercise will teach you to express yourself freely. Use only the words you've learned so far. Tell me in your own words that, for example, you're Peter Smith.
Je suis Peter Smith.
Try not to look at the answers in the book and speak out loud. Tell me in your own words that you're from Manchester.
Je suis de Manchester.
You have an American friend.
J'ai un ami américain. J'ai une amie américaine.
You are a workaholic.
Je travaille beaucoup.
But you don't have a lot of cash.
Mais je n'ai pas beaucoup d'argent.
You have 2 children.
J'ai 2 enfants.
The children are 6 and 8, have 6 and 8 years.
Les enfants ont 6 et 8 ans.
Unfortunately, you work with a PC. The work is not interesting.
Malheureusement, je travaille avec un ordinateur. Le travail n'est pas intéressant.
Your wife works for a bank in Bath.
Ma femme travaille pour une banque à Bath.
You own a property in Grenoble.
J'ai une maison à Grenoble.
Your children are in Paris.
Mes enfants sont à Paris.
How did you get on? More than half right? If you got 60% or more, give yourself a gold star. 2 gold stars for 75%. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So why not have another go? I'll bet you'll find it easier next time.